Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Alexa app smart home device linking, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your Amazon account. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom menu. Select the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose Add Device from the list of options. Scroll through the categories and select the type of device you want to connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to find your specific device brand. Make sure your smart home device is powered on and in pairing mode. The app may search for devices automatically. If your device doesn't appear, tap Can't find my device. Confirm the connection by entering any necessary Wi-Fi credentials. Once your device is detected, follow any remaining setup instructions. You may be prompted to assign your device to a specific group or room. After setup, test the device by using voice command. Ensure your device responds appropriately and adjust any settings if needed. Explore additional settings by selecting your device within the app. Check for software updates to keep your device functioning smoothly. Customize routines that include your smart home device for more convenience. Once everything is set up, enjoy the seamless integration of your smart home devices with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.